Welcome to U.S. Tax Unpacked. In the next few minutes, we'll decode the 2025 U.S. federal income tax rules. Whether you're a 9-to-5 worker or a side gig hustler, these numbers can save you money and stress. Grab a coffee and let's jump in. Think of the U.S. tax code as a staircase. Each step, called a bracket, has a higher rate, but only the income resting on that step pays that rate. Taxes come out of your paycheck or quarterly estimates, and deductions or credits keep dollars off the stairs. Here are the 2025 brackets, 7 steps from 10% to 37%. Each filing status gets its own set of thresholds. Moving up a bracket doesn't catapult your entire salary. Only the overflow is taxed higher. A raise is still a win. Before you step onto the staircase, the standard deduction clears the way. $15,000 single, $30,000 married, $22.5 thousand head of household. Unless your itemized expenses beat those numbers, press the easy button and shrink your taxable income instantly. Picture a single filer earning $50,000. Subtract the $15,000 standard deduction. $35,000 taxable. The first $11,925 is taxed at 10%. The next slice up to $48,475 at 12%, and only a sliver hits 22%. Total bill, roughly $5,900, an effective rate near 12%. Much less scary when you see the math. High earners. The alternative minimum tax may trim your deductions if income tops about $88,000 single or $137,000 joint. On the bright side, refundable credits shine. For 2025, the earned income tax credit can exceed $8,000 for large families, and the child tax credit offers up to $6,000. That's cash back, even if your tax is zero. Circle these. Tax day is Tuesday, April 15th, 2026. Need more time? File Form 4868, but pay by April 15th. Estimated taxes are due April 15th, June 16th, September 15th, 2025, and January 15th, 2026. That April 15th date also closes the window for 2025 IRA or HSA contributions. Avoid penalties by dialing in withholding. Use the IRS estimator, update your W-4 after life changes, and remember Safe Harbor. Cover 100% of last year's tax, or 110% if AGI topped $150,000. Freelancers set calendar alerts so quarterly payments never slip. Inflation tweaks matter. Bracket thresholds rose approximately 2.8%, the standard deduction gained up to $800, and credit amounts nudged higher. The top 37% rate and zero personal exemption remain. Small shifts can change withholding, so review your numbers. That's the 2025 landscape. If this saved you confusion or dollars, like, subscribe, and share. Next episodes, deductions, state taxes, self-employment quirks. Keep good records, stay curious, and thanks for watching U.S. Tax Unpacked. Disclaimer: education only. Verify figures on irs.gov and consult a pro for personal advice.